This, my dear, is how a girl wants you to touch her. Hola, mi amor. I am so glad that you were here, and we are going to talk about a very exciting topic, one that is near and dear to my heart, and it is how a girl wants you to touch her, the ways to touch her, to turn her on. Now, if you are new, my name is Arica Angelo. My man, here we talk about women, sex, attraction, relationships. So make sure that you subscribe and ding ding, turn on that notification bell. Also, stay to the very end because I am going to encourage your ass. You're gonna feel like you just heard Josh Groban singing, "You raise me up." Yeah, you're gonna feel that at the end of my video. Now listen, this is more of a conversation as opposed to a 1, 2, 3, a 4. You touch her here, you touch her there, you touch her everywhere. No, this is more of a conversation, and this is going to be some real talk that I'm going to have with you guys about the things that my girls tell me about their men. So I want you to avoid these traps and know exactly how to touch a woman. Now, I can't tell you how many times I have talked to my married girlfriends. These are girls who are getting sex regularly. And this is what they say to me. Sometimes I wish my man would just fuck me. Now, these are proper married women, and in my mind, I'm thinking, so why don't you just tell him that? I don't know why women don't just sometimes just tell men what they want. I'm a little more masculine, I guess, and I think you should just tell people what you want. But for whatever reason, my girlfriends do not tell their husbands what they tell me, which is, I wish this guy would just fuck me. He's always like so nice to me and just like caress it. And sometimes I just want him to turn me around, pull me by my hair, and just give it to me and make me feel like a dirty little whore. But that's what women say. Women do. They like that sense of roughness and a man taking charge. There is nothing more sexy when you're making love to a man and he begins to flip your body and pulls your ass up and starts taking you in positions that you're just like, yes, take me everywhere you want to take me. Girl, I'm going to do you in the kitchen. I'm going to do you in the bathroom. I'm going to do you in the jacuzzi. I'm going to do you everywhere. Women love that when you are touching them, that you, my dear, are taking charge. And so I want you to feel comfortable in your body, that when you are with her and you feel aroused and you feel inspired and you see these ideas of pushing her against the wall, bending her over a table, doing her on a chair, that you, my man, have the courage to follow through with those instincts and the things that you see yourself doing to her. Now I'm gonna make shit real confusing for you. Are you ready? You're like, this woman, what the hell? You just said this. I know, I gotta keep you on your toes. Also, if you have not taken that attraction quiz, what are you doing? You need to do this right now. So this is the other thing that my girlfriends say. Obviously, very different girlfriends. But then you have other women who say, I don't want to feel just like his prostitute. Like, he just wants to have sex with me and he's done. I had one friend tell me that her husband, after they would have sex, he would leave money on the counter and say, go shopping, baby. What the? Yeah, some guys do shit like this. So what those guys are doing wrong is they're not romancing her with their touch. It's just, okay, I came, I'm done, let's go on. That's gonna piss a woman. A woman does not want to be touched that way either. So what am I saying? I am saying that a woman likes for you to take direction with the touch. She wants you to take direction, but she also wants you to be romantic and sensual, caressing her body, stroking her, just not like the Energizer bunny and then walking off and leaving $20 on the counter. No, that's not what she wants. So you, my dear, are gonna have to learn how to yin and yang with your touch, meaning being direct, taking charge, but also having that other side of being sensual, caressing her, playing with her hair, gently touching her nipples, gently touching her inner thighs, gently stroking her back, and then also not being afraid to turn her over on the couch and just give it to her. Yes, women do want both. So this is how a girl wants you to touch her and really turn her on. She wants you to take direction with your touch. She wants you to be in charge with your touch, but she still wants to be romanced. She still wants that sensual side. So I want you, my dear, to get comfortable with practicing both, learning how to be the sweet, sensual guy, but also being the beast that you are and taking charge and taking direction and making things go in the way that instinct of your mind, those pictures that you see, making them go in that direction. So tell me in the comment section below, I want to know, do you need to take charge more in the bedroom? Or are you that guy, you're like, I'm great at taking charge. I probably should stop making my women feel like prostitutes and maybe start caressing them and romancing them more. Let me know in the comments section below. My love, I want to encourage you with this. With touch, it is such a personal thing, but it's also such a powerful thing that elicits very strong connection between a man and a woman. I want you, my dear, to start feeling comfortable with your touch. It's a beautiful gift that you offer to a woman, that you give to her body. But I will tell you that the biggest self-saboteur for men is this right here. When you get those pictures of what you want to do with her body, and then you talk yourself out of it, you self-doubt, you go, oh, I shouldn't do that. She's going to think I'm a creep. She's not going to like that. You're never going to know until you try. You're never going to know until you ask her, hey, would you like if the next time we're making love that I do this? I'm really fascinated by this. I would love to give this to your body. But communicating with that kind of language to get her on board to see, hey, is this something that she'd be into? But just shutting it down and talking yourself out of it will kill yourself every time. You'll shoot yourself in the foot every single time. You will kill your sex life. So let self-doubt stay out the door and start listening to your instincts and start communicating to her the things that you want to do to her body. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that bell, take the quiz, and I will see you next time. You are loved, and baby, you have what it takes. Yeah, you do, daddy.